pushed through just in the last 2 hours. So residents here, you've been dealing with damaging wind, lots of lightning, lots of rain, and maybe even a couple of twisters. We'll have a closer look at some of these reports as we go into the overnight hours to see if we can see some confirmation of a tornado actually touching ground. You're not alone. We've also been looking at Price County. In Price County, here comes that next thunderstorm cell right overhead now across the extreme western parts. Get ready for it. This may be a tornadic thunderstorm. We may be looking at a tornado on the ground as we speak. We hope that everyone will continue to be in that safe part of your house. Let's go back to the bigger picture. We take a look at what's causing all the disruption to our evening here. This is an area of low pressure anchored right around the arrowhead of Minnesota. The frontal boundary, very active here tonight. It extends across much of Iowa and back towards the extreme western areas of Kansas. And all along this frontal boundary, the cold front, we've had some strong to severe thunderstorms. But most of the heavy rain and the severe thunderstorms that may be tornadic have been closer to this area of low pressure. That's giving us the additional lift here. And we are still looking at tornado watches in effect for much of Wisconsin and the extreme western parts of Marquette. Again, we do have Holton Lake now under a tornado warning, and you are in the watch area. Now, we have a new watch that was just posted about 15 minutes ago. It does not include Cook County. It's getting closer, though. Notice that it's including the extreme northwestern area of Illinois and much of southern Wisconsin. And we're beginning to see some of these thunderstorms push into northern Illinois, strong to severe. Waterloo all the way down to Des Moines, we're looking at a scattering line of thunderstorms. A few of these thunderstorms in the last hour have been severe, but most of them are beginning to lose their intensity. The same also for the Omaha, Nebraska area. A few of these thunderstorm cells continue to hold on to their strength, but again, here too, most of these thunderstorms are losing their intensity at this late hour. We've also been watching some of the activity along the frontal boundary extend back towards the extreme western areas of Kansas. And here too, just looking at some rain showers right now. Looking at the bigger picture, we hope that over the course of the next hour or two, we will have more good news to pass on and fewer of these severe thunderstorm warnings or tornado warnings to tell you about. In the meantime, look for maybe an inch or two to add up with these thunderstorms as far as the rain totals go. Also a breezy night. We've been looking at some of the winds gust across Minnesota, Iowa, Illinois, Nebraska up to 35, 40 miles per hour. At this hour, it looks like the highest wind gust was around 36 miles per hour. It's warm in this warm sector. How warm? We've only gone down 1 degree in the last 3 hours. In Chicago, it's 83 degrees, 74 in Lincoln, Nebraska. Temperatures are a little cooler this hour behind the system. We're looking at lots of 50s across the Dakotas. Let's go south now. Bill Chapter.